Lesson 32 of Volume 1.
Reading practice number 6.
Dear Frank, I read in yesterday afternoon's newspaper that on Wednesday, August 12, you were appointed by the governor to the bench of the 3rd District of Albany, period. In my opinion, Frank, you are easily the best qualified person for this important job, period. You richly deserve it, paragraph, because of your successful and extensive career as a trial lawyer covering almost 20 years. I know you will serve your state with distinction, period. Naturally, I think our class knew what it was doing when it recognized you as, this is open quotation, the person most likely to succeed, paragraph, close quotation. You have my best wishes for a long and eventful career as a judge, period. My corresponding secretary, Miss Jean Overmeyer, also sends you here best wishes, period. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 7. Dear Dr. Mild, for almost half century, our organization, the Albany General Manufacturing Company, has been in the business of discovering practical and helpful answers to pollution problems for industry. So please observe the word industry. This is the full blend or the combination of N and D. Industry and government, period. Our objective has been to develop systems to solve pollution problems of every description throughout the world, paragraph. recommendation our engineers and executives make regarding a pollution problem is unbiased in character. Period. We have many ideas on ways to call air and to clean air. Period. We also have the people and the experience to make better air. Paragraph. We suggest that you invite us soon to discuss pollution problems with you on an individual basis. Period. You will find, Dr. Mild, that we can help you easily and readily dispose any pollution problems you may have in the near future. Period. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 8. Dear Mrs. Samuels, are you disturbed over the steadily rising cost of food? Beginning Thursday morning, September 1, we, the Albany family food mart on Worth Street, will take some very definite steps to control food cost. Period. Many items on our shelves will be priced far below our already low prices. Period. Almost all the items we have selected for discounting will be for basic family needs. Paragraph. The prices that will be published in our advertising will be maintained, and stocks will be replenished in sufficient quantities to carry us from September 1 through October 31. Paragraph. We will also reduce temporarily the prices of several special seasonal products. Period. A few of the values you will be able to obtain are described in the enclosed circular paragraph. We think, Mrs. Samuels, that the public should know about the things we are doing to control every increasing food prices. Period. Sincerely yours, Reading practice number 9. Dear Mr. Yell, there are many good reasons why more than 500,000 people will lease their new cars this year. Period. Here are just 3 of them. Paragraph. Number 1. Many one-car families have discovered that leasing enables them to get a second car without having to make a second down payment. Paragraph number 2. Many people are discouraged with the ordinary problems of owning a car. Paragraph. They have reached the point where they never again want to bother with car maintenance. Paragraph. Number 3. Many people regularly use their cars for business and usually need responsibly prepared records for tax purposes. Period. They get these records easily and simply by leasing. Paragraph. Should you lease your next car? You probably should, Mr. Yell, but why not discuss the subject of leasing with our representative, Mr. Charles Swift. Period. He is an acknowledged expert in his field, and he can tell you whether leasing will solve your particular problem. Period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 10. Dear Miss Underwood, thank you for speaking at our staff meeting on the morning of Friday, November 10, and describing the steps your organization is taking to increase the efficiency of order handling in the shipping department, period. Order handling has represented difficult, encouraging problems for our company also, period. I am very glad you have been able to make satisfactory progress in this area, period. Your comments were quite timely and of special importance to us, paragraph. May I request a favor of you, question mark. Could you write up your remarks, question mark? We would like to print them in our staff publication, working together, so that our entire business family can have the advantage of reading them, paragraph. I am enclosing a stamped envelope for your reply, period. Yours very truly.